Islamic microfinance is becoming an increasingly popular mechanism for poverty alleviation, especially for developing countries around the world. This microfinance service adheres to the principles of Islam as a form of social responsibility. Yona Islamic Microfinance is the Islamic microfinance of choice in the Gambia, trustworthy and reliable. At Yona Islamic Microfinance, we provide savings products, current accounts, financing products in conformity with Islam. In addition, Yona Islamic Microfinance also offers local and international remittances, Takaful Fund, management of Zakat, management of Awqaf, trading and investment, and building of strategic partnerships to bring financial services to the doorstep of the poor with donor projects, madrasas, youth organizations, women groups, and farmer organizations. Make a choice with Yona Islamic Microfinance today. For more information on Yona Islamic Microfinance, call 377-2151 or 9832-151 or visit Yona head office at Tipa Garage, Bakote, or visit any Yona branch located countrywide near you.
Are you thinking of owning your dream homes? EJ Investment is here for you. Secure our quality bungalows with 2, 3, or 4 bedrooms, or our story buildings 3 or 4 to 5 bedrooms at very affordable prices with flexible payment plans at our Sanyang Seaview Estate, where you can enjoy the cool breeze with modern infrastructure such as tar roads, covered drainage system, modern electrification with street lights, gated entrance with security posts, and social amenities such as gas station, shopping mall, medical clinic, park, schools, children daycare, and a lot more. Our dedicated team of professionals will keep the estate clean at all times, provide security and patrol team within the estate premises, install latest technologies such as CCTV, Wi-Fi, home network installation, solar panel, and power backup system. Also, check out for our additional home facilities and interior design service such as premium tiling, wall plaster, home landscape, fingerprint home lock, and a lot more. Visit our office at Senegambia Kololi Highway and get a free site visit tour, or contact us on 4464838. WhatsApp us on 3259220. Or you can visit our Facebook page or Instagram on EJ Investments. EJ Investments, we are first in properties.
Sumanu baro baro kunjurunko ikonga faleko namu badabanda ila blazola la nye gambia beno ambia sola enda na sola enterprise sola ni battery kendo courant ode dasala aboro sinenamo kaji sana odila ambia sola enda na sola enda na sola enterprise. Jaliwo sola kende soto yeah jali man fofena o sola kende soto. Sola enterprise na enterprise sumanu baro baro unjurunko.
Hello! There's a new update from your favorite GSM operator, AfriCell.
For all of you that have struggled to buy cash power beyond $7,000, AfriCell has done it again. The limit to buy cash power is now up to $30,000. Oh yes, $30,000.
Buy all the cash power you want from your AfriMoney account by dialing *777#.
Where AfriCell goes, nobody dares to follow.
It's an amazing offer. AfriCell Mobile Money just got way better. The threshold for cash in and cash out on your AfriMoney has been increased.
Where it used to be 10,000 per transaction, now it has been increased to 30,000. Meaning, your AfriMoney account, you can now withdraw and deposit up to $30,000 at once.
Cashing in and out just got 3 times easier. For more info, call 777.
Where AfriCell goes, nobody dares to follow.
mbenda ñinale ko sañi sabako ñanta constitutional review ñanta kilam ñanta constitutional change sañi sabako won mo ngana tano election.
Let us not be labor too much time on those letters because I know they have relevance.
UDP is just calling on President Adama to respect the agreement that saw him to power and also to fulfill the promise that he had made to the Gambian people.
If you want to meet the target, we lost 22 years. We have to work 22 times more than when we are working to get to where.
It is false to say that this country cannot develop a budget that will sufficiently cater for the health needs of our people.
Me and you know that Barrow cannot move this country forward.
Assalamu alaikum bari ngol ngali konton kale bismillah ko reke mo be kerfaatu jibe kan alla politika cha murtanale ne mi alon ka kanale talata wa talata ne wato sita kabo of course talang nani natam bitamini tansa bala kada fo talan lulu kan natam bitamini tansa bala montiro wati kilin ko leke jam ga kacha protiko kolla gambe banko kanjang jama wala wate ning politicianol kana mi alon ko be gambia politiko le kono andi be different political party pour ni si kacha no nyamen Gambia political kola laftan na banko sambala nyamen officiel nyim programme fasa ka sembenti ndike blodo nyim programme ko sama laati no mantana min studio use ka min kala politika cha studio nyinti walati na bi nga janjus bari to le nyim programme fasa ka sembenti ndi officiel lem number 1 ti Gambia banko kanjang mom walafta of course am sim card la mi alon ka buga credit member gal na to alta number 2 wala number 7 aleta wal sang ila megabyte abukata bake officiel ngatu promotion fanana wate na try official line on Sandrong isifen Jamal Ganyeno official bari nga to promotional tolem number 1 ti Gambia banko kanjang ba fule barka baki kanyim programme fasa ka sembentu yandi oto ndebu baga jegal kanyim programme sindala bidunga luntan dolu sotwale ne mi alon ko about different political party be national assembly member letido you know kilengo mu national assembly member ti mbulubala of course honorable Seku Ba Jaaju atelem national assembly member ti Busumbala constituency Marakarola of course honorable Omar Cisse afana mu multi mi alon ko atuma mabo Gambia politico to bari fana to mabo fondinkel mi alon ko ka mamang bake politico la ko to min kera honorable Omar Cisse ti mi alon ko atem national assembly member ti for Nyamina East ate fanam be fele studio kono kerfatu jang ba fala mo be ko al bismillah politique kacha programme wato on debole be live le on kerfatu politique kacha
yeah buba gaji ko abarka bake akanya kontana kuti kana nan ka nyatile ne banko molla ani banko mil banko kono ani banko banta ka kacha ko mi yafanya politique kacha politician olu ngamung ferel landi pour ka banko samba nale si ko kacha bi so akanya kontana ku balde ka tarajang ni na broda honorable Omar Cisse.
Thank you very much. First, nga diamo about Jane Omar Binana. Lafta nga diamo about Meet the People Store. Ya korosi nyadi le banko president la Meet the People Store mi alon ko le bant.
Nga je ko min kete wala mo banko la president e constitutional honor wala mo banko la mara kitabo e sembo mendiala akay ko sango sang adoyata nyawnya sinya fula ye funti inin Gambiano le kacha ya foye mimbe bulu e betaka nyaadi le banko ila sambandiri nyaabe ya nyaadi le anin minamila sula koti yo foye ye jabi ani fana ya foye mimbe bulu so obviously a commence le bara tala banko be yayi amurunta fo banjul aya kala kaya nyama kayra kono moli le kumo fo adu president fana ya kumo fo man sekunda kumo fo ay kulke mi yalan ko banko molbe hamere wala bulu be jikiri wala bulu ndo ay lahir ko abe kudul kala mi yalon ko ya nyin kamil la man suta folo oto ngaje ko kula mi yalon ko alhamdulillah ata kuta ba
faya mera wala keta president wala ta fo atata mol nyin kale mune me la problem modi ay solutionol nati ko ya fo nyame fo wala keta nyi Meet the People to min tambet
buba wala keta because I'm a living witness nte lota podium ko kan ni president diamuda as representative of the people fum nya diamo ko ngai mi yitandi la wala mo ko
nodite la diamo mbe toning in general
niko molu fair ye sample ota ni ko fo le keta fo mol wala fo mol be min fo ibe sample le tala ya yo dole
mina ite la diamoro adu weli ngara I'm talking about in general
yeah buba wala keta mol ye ila la finna ko itandi president wala ila kontano itandi ala ila la fo itandi ala ila sula ko fo ay president fana ay jabi sula men kamen moy anda ay surprise call do le mi ala ko alhamdulillah banko dolu mantra jikrinu wala no mantra hame kam bar marar kendo ani marar la kendo mi yala banko la mol soto ko suloti aka felle ko mi yala ko banko mo wele sala fi ngala bari me nyilla wala so ay president yo kele so ne nyinin ka wala monti about 50 hospitals or clinics have been inaugurated in the country ay inta kono loftan tan lulu ay mi yele another ambulance talulu di koteke mi yalla ko amansoro ngamin lonnum wala ambulance ko tara loptano leto par exemple president bokal ambulance di loptano la akadi satele la ko ni ambulance tara bul sate ko jang na le couranto soto al sura da fena mole bandala bulu wala mole sasata jannal ka wuli kata moto nyini wala kar saretta ala nyin driver ambulance driver ko nda na la bundada to alla nyin sika al samba intal dame o mu ko le mi yalla ngon sula to ngala bara man nyin la nyin tamo ñu wato ka to ngaji ko banko be taka nyami ngami ñi la wala ko nabe ambulance di la adi loptano la sonko lo fere ko ay kulke ay mol la moy kumol la mol la kumol faye ay mol jabi ay mol surprise ndi
honorable for any form of politics jele when the presidents made the people to itela crossroad
very well bubakar ñim ko jine ngadal mi ko mol ko to wafala wata sa kalto jeni zol fonga ando lasta mobile la man yandi ngami fo mole wala ko ngato nya fu nyotron president wala ko mu political because political askije ay fengo fenke abake kanne pour molia kontana ko
wala me we are talking about mid the people to
yes political
constitution no ya fo nyame wala nyinte ko ay ta mol nyininka
constitution man femfo whether political or manga political ntele ba define na it way ya jibe ko abe political
already ya describe le mid the people to nyanta kala nyame remember that na me fa
constitution ko ay tay diam molie ani mole kacha mimba molbulu ani mimba tebulu ay mole ay mol jabi so nim mole political be bulu ya political fay abe jabla political
mole political
wala excuse me wala ni tata follow president boka diam ala mol buka diam aka host community la bule diam follow wala mo min bolu bulu ya fay
ite understand
diam te nyaming abe jabla wala ni diam te political abe jabla political ndu na pata ay ku foy bare ngam fo mol ala understand president wa anim politician wallahi momo ka ko this is development is not politics be fo batandika
we are not talking about ko president manjana political we are talking about mid the people to remember nyimu told me alonko bankola kodo president obe wala use kan andun tol bele denda nyin
very well
we are talking about toni nyanta kala nyaadi that's why mola nambe nyin kan fo politico nyanta dun na jele hana tara mole politico dun de je fo president o nyanta dun la jele one ya describe le ko just a question la moy maybe after yana jam
very well
ya describe le ko a nyanta kata mol nyin kay la problem wala mole la problem o fo ay jabi mid the people to wilta wala kamma but it seems nga moy le president of kafo okay nin dole nyin kafoje ite sino nola and others do you think in real in your capacity as a national assembly member nyimu kuleti mi alon ko anyanta kelale
very well buba
anyanta kelale
political be ke yalon kulbe ke alba ko ko understand incumbency ala a step ahead of everybody wo ay nyin babulo wala na constitutional assembly dia signa fula ay funti mi yalan ko banko la ko do ba wo sponsor la ay fundi nata da diamula kono politician o diam ko ni ta je ke development oriented VDC ka bulale politician o ka diam la ani modol so nim politician o diamuta ay ka fo ko mo fo raison be min jamelo wala ko ay tande ko politico ko nan kono ala barakende ku kende ku la den ka fo sindala oto milka jibe ko atima mosoto oto ni en ka fo je ban la kay mosoto le nim min ka jibe ko mantra ku ke kan oto na yen ka fo jabande ko be ku ke kana mol mi appreciate this is the notion that
but do you think that mol mil be karaje inatale pour ka soporo inatale pour ila right pour que la hajo for president
abele bije
so
abele bije mol dol natale ke la moy abe min fola mol dol natale ka fo le jibe mol dol natale ka kis ko negative impact so atomol so je ka police outside but atemo wol jibe aje ko akadiyam gameno bu wala fale ku gele understand jam pour more you understand president wala every move ala diamo ala KOK is politics because aba koku ke wala ko moliya abulab jeminna ayake moliya kanoy bambangala ya lala ya continue so la kono nim president fundi dadlato comme president kanana momo fundi o mu signale do lam ko abe min ke kam molma apprécier bar kabra fundi ta mol fundi tan dron wa etende la ko abe min ke kam bangu mol ya apprécier le wana kay tandi aka min jabi wala ko min ko mantra fenke kam min ko mo tembulo akoy de la nyin ka fo yatne signify la ko me fenke kana ka ni mol ni ma apprécier de wono comme ya ni mambe min ke mantra ima apprécier de wono comme ya adu ngamol sotole that's it because it's as a president alma ko understand fa politiko ke because nay lo dana lo moye ay do la hajo jara do ta kan o ka jo ko ngak mal la fala na interest la na banko la interest la mo interest to jël I am going to support because ngajo nya
it is normal pour ka politiko donde mid people talk on
president wala
no just answer
president wala ta is political
is it normal pour ka politiko donde mid people talk on
mbuka ko you understand for
no I understand
ndefe njaro no mammi longa min fo ndeng la understand
you understand this one
I don't know for dia
mid people talk for after politiko kije fo mal la fa is it normal
mid the people store is ako go and talk to the people.
No, saying
it doesn't define. There is nothing that says when you go, say this, don't say this. Go and talk to your people. Listen to their concerns.
Your concerns. Thank you very much. Thank you for saying.
So if my people comes to me and tell me that we want to make sure that this political party don't come into power, is that not their concern? I respond towards that. Now listen to me. I can have President or George. President will respond to people. That's why another gathering talk. The host community talks first. He listens to all of them. What they raise, he responds to that. And then add to tell them what he has. So there is no politics in that. Who bring the politics is politics is the people. And again,
so you blame the people.
I want you to define to me, with problem with my brother, what is the difference between politics and development? Any political party today, they will go to the people and talk to them in a way that for them to sympathize them of what they are doing and what they intend to do.
In a capacity as a political party.
In a capacity as a political party.
Yes, that's fine. That's normal.
So is your capacity as a president? Are you not head of a political party?
No, this story is.
There is two things here. If you are a political president, you head a political party. So your every move, you make sure that you empower that political party to come to power or maintain the power.
Including mid the people.
Including mid the people.
Thank you. I'll come back to you. Honorable Jaganga Deglo, welcome. You're live on Kerfato.
Buba Jerry maa ngi am kontaan bu baax si plateforme bi waaye di nuyu ki nga xam ne laa bi toogat muy honorable Sekou Ba Diadio di suma collègue ñu bokk di liggéey si National Assembly bi amal naa ko cër amal na ma cër foog naa ne jàmm rek leen seexa kon plateforme bi foog naa ne tey den ñëw pour waxtaanal askan bi rek kenn ku nekk sa gis-gis ak ni nga foog ne mbir mi noonu la war a demee kon jàpp naa ne ñëwuñ pour xaste ñëwuñ pour ñaawal askan bi ñëwuñ pour wax li nga xam ne nii wax buy salte la moo nekk waaye den wax pour suñu xalaat den wax pour askan bi jël nekku ne lépp lu waaye wax rek xëy na noonu la mooy demee waaye dafa doon li nga xam ne mooy sa xalaat waaye am na li nga xam ne itam ñu méngale ko ak li nga xam ne loolu lu waa bi wax.
Alright, honorable no observe mid the people tool bi Jen.
Buuba loolu lu am solo la mid the people store dafa nekk li nga xam ne constitutional requirement la Sekou Ba Diadio wax na loolu te loolu mooy digga bi constitution bi dafa wax ne président bi at bu nekk war naa jóg mu wër réew mi ñaari yoon su fekkee ñaari yoon yi mun na nekk waaye lii la constitution bi wax waaye constitution bi dafa wax nekku ne dafa wax loolu rek mu noppi daf ne président bi su waree jóg mu wër réew mi dafa am lu tax dafa am sarta yu ko tënk pour mu war koo doxee si tànk yooyu noonu muy dox loolu mooy lan mooy président bi dafa war a jóg mu wër réew mi wax ak askan bi mu déglu askan bi ñu joytul ko ñu ñaxtul ko ñu spell out seen grievance pour government bi not just the president waaye loolu moo tax président bi daf dee ànd ak ministre yi daf dee ànd ak directeurs yi ak yeneen governmental departments or institutions pour lan so that they can better define the policy and the program in response to what the people are speaking or saying in those platforms boobu dafa am lu am solo we must not mislead the people this is not a political talk that must be made very clear NPP is not a party in power. loolu mooy dëgg bi.
No. we are in power.
NPP, President Barrow must acknowledge that he is an independent candidate. ñu ko tànn dafa bari de waaye bañ koy tànnewuñ ko ci benn candidate benn parti.
waaw
kon too bi suñuy jog waruñoo jog ngir ne tooyi NPP la. te suñu xoolee mouvement bi ni mu demee. den wane na lii tooyi NPP la. kon loolu moo tax mbooloo mu président Barrow di àndal su dee jog too bii nii day jël supporter NPP yëpp ànd ak ñoom. te man foog naa ne li doon mun a nekk mooy. neen jël président bi neen jël ministres yi neen jël ñi nga xam ne leen des whole responsibility ak ñi nga xam ne ñoo nekk sécurité yi ñu muuf lan mooy ité bi mooy président bi mu ànd ak ministres yi ak directeurs yi ñu dem ñu toog ñu déglu nit yi problème yi nga xam ne leen nekk di jànkuwante suñu hôpital yi problème yi nga xam ne leen nekk di jànkuwante suñu yoon yi problème yi nga xam ne leen nekk di jànkuwante suñu schools yi problème bi nga xam ne leen nekk di jànkuwante ak kuréel bi problème bi nga xam ne leen ñàkk di jànkuwante si yeneen fat na lii nit yi wax ko buuba yow soo génnul fii sax xam nga ne place yu ma lim nii yëpp ay jafe-jafe yu du jeex mu ngi fa te Meet These People store since 2017 président bi at bu nekk day jokk
ma ne dafa inaugurate some other clinics honorable mu ngi ko jógee wax nii si Meet the People tour bi
ne dafa la
dafa inaugurate some clinics right
yes.
according to
I'll come to that.
and ambulances maybe can you commend him for that
man lu nit ki def rek I will appreciate that for the fact that su fekkee nga xam ne tey nit yi dénk neen la xaalis boobu noonu nit yi ñoo ko moom buñ jàppane président moo ko moom buñ jàppane daf ko war a use pour empower political party that is not the purpose.
Okay.
So whether you are in that political party or not, whether you are supporting the president or not, we all share the same responsibility as long as the national income is concerned. So inaugurate na fine. This is actually through partners, and I will appreciate the partners as well for that. Because nekkunde tey government moom kenn xaalis nguur gi rek la ñuy mën a jël ñu jëfandikoo loolu waaye we can also deal with partners waaye suma emphasis bi fu mu nekk mooy affaire yi yëpp dañ ko ñëw ñu politicize ko in the sense that tey président Barrow day taxaw ñi nga xam ne la war a acknowledge ak projet boobu naka la ñëwee ak naka la amee ak nu mu yegsee foofu noonu du dee leeral loolu waaye li muy wane mooy lii si man la jógee président bi lii si sama nguur gi la jógee ñun ñoo ko génnee ñu defal ko askan bi lii mooy li nga xam ne loolu leen dee wax duñu wax projet boobu noonu naka la ñëwee kon loolu dafa doon li nga xam ne nii
daf day jël crédit bi yëpp
dañ day jël crédit bi yëpp loolu mooy dëgg pour lan ñu am political points waaye li ma bëgg a leeral rek mooy da ngay gis ne si too bii nii su fekkoon na nga xam ne sax dañuy wax waxi politique sax ñu bàyyi noonu rek mu doon wax bu rafet amul problème constitution bi waxul loolu waaye ñoom loolu leen bëgg a doxal waaye too bi yëpp boo ko seetee wax bi yëpp waxi politique la si lan si kaw lan character assassination saying things that can never be true about an individual because ñu bëri wax si plateforme yu bëri la.
What is the example of that character assassination?
gis neen tey président bi ak ñi nga xam ne la àndal li nga xam ne cadre man am nekkuma UDP waaye gis neen cadre yu nga xam ne la président bi ak ñum àndal suñu ne fii suñu waxee rek président must be involved ndax ki deen moo ko wax ndaxte président bi képp ki nga xam ne wax na si plateforme boobu noonu mu ngi toog te nekkul cadre yu rafet président bi toogul condamné loolu kon loolu noonu président bi daf si ànda te loolu daf ko neex gis ne ñi nga xam ne taxaw neen si political plateforme bu président Adama Barrow ñuy saaga ay kilifa di wax ju ñaaw si ay kilifa di jël ay tuumaan di ko teg si ay kilifa président bi mu ngi toog di reetaan kon loolu daf ko neex te too bii nii gis ne ñuy jël ay kaddu di ko jëm UDP and their leadership. Despite I'm not UDP. foog naa ne président bi should acknowledge the UDP. Honorable Sekou Bah Jaju should acknowledge the UDP. President Barrow is a UDP product. That's the reality. Honorable Sekou Bah Jaju here seated is a product of the UDP. man foog naa ne. su fekkee nga xam ne. amul dara li nga xam ne mun neen ko wax jëmale ko si UDP lu sant leen gërëm leen waruñoo jël kàddu yu ñaaw di ko ekkati di ko sànni si UDP donte ñoom ñaar yëpp xamante neen soo too bi bëri na kàddu yu nga xam ne ay kilifa mosuma woon a yaakaar ne loolu moo fay am ñu jël ko di ko ekkati di ko jam si ay kilifa si biir réew mi fii di ko jam si ay political party fii loolu moo tax foog neen ne they have already cleared the GDC that's their belief loolu moo tax this time around ñu ne let's concentrate on the UDP pour ñu mun a finish comme the election then we are going to win that was their point.
nañ dugg si loolu because ñu ne dafa mel ni ñu ne GDC rey nañ nga ba pare but honorable ay fenn ma ako it seems like president o mol ka kuma jawol fo mol aka tara sirim but nanata diamala baka condemn.
Okay, Yusuf.
Is that proper?
Le coup fele fay mako I will respond to mbele ñu ngaro jabila. But I mean for partner la ko mbo ko nan jabila ko yala. Amanna to attend. And as not to go attention to go luale attend. Luale ka he should attend it. But again nyatonko nim bibi la fatu turebe siring. Mistake okay table I damn want to rectify you in public. It brings down your moral. Nyatongo you need to know how you do your things. Excuse me, ni nyatong ni ko keta.
Idama manya nak after in public
No, you cannot just jump on your people passing like that.
Well,
and again,
then he is confirming to you that this is happening.
Very good.
No, what I want him to confirm is that let the honorable agree that this is something that is happening. That some people will stood in a present political party platform and be saying things assassinating someone's character.
Not delusion on the just give me time.
Can I say this?
So just continue where you stop on the
No, haram dimalako. Muni ko karasta assassination. Mama Kande moy first mu ñaawal Ousainou Dabo. Mu ne Ousainou Dabo du tok ci bir tok we, they talk ci kaw tok bi. That's what's that? There's a political platform. Let's talk about that. A political platform. You say anything, we know that we should have but nenga nyinin karo ka kamen for the thing. Kobe he wants to sympathize UDP because GDC is there. I belong to UDP. But I info.
No, talk about the question on the bull.
The question is,
you can.
What I'm trying to tell you, Nyatonko. If you go to more cook, ya busa busolo nyama. Ewe dia mole kala. So I need the fo. Obe carry nema. Nimpre the meeting okera. Nga sila ka no advice. Kai go eka info. You shouldn't say that. You should have said it this way. We debrief. National, every meeting they do it, matter at all. But after that, nationally, we sit down and debrief. Do you know that when they say go and take Nga president advice le. In a way, pray along go statement or dofo. Amanya na ko fo nyam. You all know
Yerega advice.
Advice. I said that to him.
But it keeps repeating on the bull.
No. Nga advice me now.
Last year, akirale meet the people to.
Okay.
Maybe
last year.
This year.
Nga example of the last. Last year. Kabiri Fatma Jawra Diamuta. Ala dia this year Diamo. What does he say? Yalong is left to the person. Ila grievances with Buba. Ning Abuba Honorable advice ko. Kana Buba attack. But Buba min kendela. Wotendela bulu ntela harbe yala bulu. No one is perfect. But Krasta assassination akamimbe fojang president ne ma fo. Mo lebo fall on the platform. And I what he expect the president will never do that. Somebody said something, then you can see the president recommended to put you down. Never. A leader never does that. If Mama Kande do that to him, he will get frustrated and leave the party. What you do is every 100 but the most disciplined political party. The leader listen to anybody is NPP. Two, I come for partners. I spoke to him in the parliament because a member is raised in the parliament. You know, partners will get I want them to be sincere to the people. They all know that. There is no political party. But Mansakunda somebody Mansakunda la kwa ata nyindirola. So ni Mansakunda tara nyindirola jikita Mansakunda lele ilata la tamandiri nyala yekolo dia na dogo. Jawa damodi. Ito manda yente manda je ndinga symbol dia. Na tara another affair nje. And again I come for acknowledgement is not true. I'm very sorry for this word. Mbona kata sirinje. Mbona kata sirinje. Minister of Health in Busumbala, I'm a witness. Minister yake makumbaya. I was witness mbijile. Yake Busumbala mbijile. Asa kolanya onya. Minister of Health, let him go to the videos, will acknowledge the partners, will acknowledge the sponsors, anybody in and outside of this country. And if you go to the board, every clinic, no Gambia is funded by partners and their name is mentioned there. So what is that?
But what are they telling people? For now, lola abe wole fogang.
What are they telling people? Baro masa kundele ake.
Exactly.
Baro masa kundele. I don't understand.
Excuse me, Carola. Just listen. Let me ask this question. Yes. Atiba mi foga wale mnyindiko. About baro masa kundale nyinga. They are taking all the credit.
Yes.
With our partners. Abe wole fogang. Come like your partners for the okay. Nyille mako nyille.
I don't know. Mala sa Allah to forinya sifanya dilla. Buba imu sutiyoti. Mano banta suwa ko table. Ina de yange don to. Ite ta fala moli ale. Se ko ko na kam yango do to jam. What do you do? Yela matma to leke. Nyato ngak ma yela matma to ina la fenanji. Ni la dimba be excuse. Ni la dimba be
different example anyway.
Ni la dimba is no this might be a better example. Yeah. But it's just I'm trying to give an example to the people. Ni mu nyato ngoti. Nyato ngo ensula la nyinna le. Ite nyanta kala ndey. Bari yela ngak temul adula nyanto lo pour ka. Ni nara sambo de ko funde dawda ya soroje. Atu tele bulu ini lo partner tema nim partner la te jayile ni ma jay you lose but nim partner ko mbay ndile ko is purposely for you nim if ngam fo ko ngon take business tele and I want him to go and prove me wrong that video busumbala inauguration the minister di amo sutera nyawonya ako he wants to acknowledge the partnership of and the funding of from the partners and the board president kami inaugurate is only his name inaugurated by his excellency but funded by 3 partners. UNICEF is included, Gavi and something like that. They are all there.
Alright. So
obviously, war partnership is a credit to the government because Mansakunda be tamandiri kendola partner latala yakoro dia la private adu.
No point so ngata this totinya. Did you agree that this meet the people to mo nyotinya manyanna kelaje? Did you agree with that?
Amanke meet the people from toti. Amanke meet the people toti.
Yeah, exactly. Like
any political platform. Kuma fo moli miya lonko wole be tonyati moli alonko tonyata you are the best bari kada si ka kari sutiatele kari buka si sirankan ka siyata kan wo ni onke min ila question ko men fo wonko is totally shouldn't be done from anybody ni president kake I'm on record it shouldn't be done but any political party kake it shouldn't be done but so many assassination are put on the president. But nobody talks about that. But if the side of the president says something about anybody, the president shouldn't allow that one. Why should those people allow? And more especially a leader standing and castigating another political leader. Who is going to put that one? Has that been condemned? Your Excellency, stop it.
Nala mol fana nekak.
Nila mol fana kake. Nina mol min bebel. Min bekel na moy. Na mol min be kake. Stop it. Let's tell people what is the truth.
All right.
I believe in politics of decency because our government is the best government.
All right. Thank you. Honorable, let's talk about how much Setanga for na meet the people to be. This year Jisumalanga wa at last year Hamonana wahonga at Party Sam. I can remember because I Mangsi Tobion last year. President Bisulung wa this year. Langa observe lo xamne you are not happy with it.
Buba lolu amna solo fogg na ne dafa am solo xagna bëgguma
bi hakke dani la neto ko la tala neto ko tatal no walatina molu wo control keta bare mutana len politika cha programme moto mi alon ko kanale talata o talata honorable yang don walu important about the to ngani dañ day wax nit ne you support NPP or you know do am development
Buba jërëjëf li ma doon wax exactly loolu la bila network bi mu dem tooy président Adama Barrow li nga xam ne la gars yi di doxalee too bi wala li nga xam ne la gars yi distribuer seen development bi is that you have to support the president for the president to give you development. This is the mentality they are injected in people's mind. Lii leen nekk di wax nit I'm a living witness to that. Dama dey dem suma area den ba dey complain, especially my supporters. They will tell me this, honorable, ñun we are still in GDC. Why dañu dey wax ne su fekkee nga xam ne support la government yow doo am development. Su fekkee àndul ak président Barrow yow doo am development. Su fekkee nga xam ne président Barrow dafa ootee ñun demuñ wane wuñ suñu boppa ab yaawuñ foofu ñu gis ñi kon ñun duñu indil courant duñu indil yoon duñu indil hôpital duñu tabaxa school lii mooy li nga xam ne NPP loolu la nekk di wax nit loolu moo tax seen too bi da ngay gis ñu
ban evidence nga am pour
dama ne am a living witness am an honorable member I give you an example of this mais la suma nit yi sama supporters in Nyamina East lii leen ma dee wax ñu ne we have to support the president pour mu muñ a indi defar suñu yoon bi xam nga de baaxut te ñu ne ku support président bi doo mun a am yoon du la indil yoon ku support président bi yow doo am ambulance ku support président bi yow doo am school ku support président bi duñ la indil développement this is the mentality te loolu leen nekk di preach si nit yi loolu leen nekk di dugal seen boppay loolu moo tax you find it very difficult sometimes to explain to the people that the president is using our taxpayers' money, the money that you are paying. That's what they are bringing back to you in a form of development. Whether the money is from tax, whether the money is grant, whether the money is loan, consider it your money. If loan, we are the one to pay. If grant, the president will lobby that through us. If it is taxpayers' money, we are the one contributing. So take it as your money. Whatever development that is brought here, let's consider it that it is our money. ñu jëlee ko noonu waaye li ma bëgg a leeral mooy too bi itam da ngay gis ne président Adama Barrow su dee dem ñi nga xam ne leen de allow pour ñu wax si ndaje loolu mooy ñi nga xam ne one you have to support the president, you have to support NPP, you have to move their agenda. That is, you have to continue praising the president and the government and the NPP.
That was evident.
loolu gis ngeen ko ñi nga xam ne ñoo wax si plateforme yi yëpp ñoom ñëpp NPP supporters leen tey man évident am na ba ma demee ñaami ne is ma wax leeralal na askan bi yëpp ne man am not with président Adama Barrow bokkuma NPP waaye loolu noonu tey jël ñoo ko mu nekk issue bu rëy te man foog naa ne too bi li ñu wax mooy waxal sa problème yi sa jafe-jafe sa naxar sa jooytu pour askan bi wala président bi ak ministre yi dégg ko suñ paree amut leneen li nga xam ne leen war a wax lu solution yu nga xam ne leen war a jël pour saafara problème yooyu loolu moo war a nekk ñoom seen kàddu nekkul tey Mama Kandeh def na lii nekkul tey Sonia Darboe def na lii nekkul tey Gab def na lii. That is not the purpose of the tour. It is not about character assassination. It is not about revealing the secret of an individual. It is not about insulting an individual. It is not about attacking an individual. That is not the purpose of the tour. waaye ñoom nii leen ko jëlee kaddu bi nga xam ne yëkkati neen ko fancy kaddu yi ñuy wax non mais ma ñëw fancy kaddu yi nga xam ne leen nekk di wax lii la président bi mu ngi toog te depuis 2017 benn tey lii mu ngi continuer su fekkoon ne nga xam ne yes you might not be able to rectify the past immediately before the gathering that I understand why after the gathering go and counsel the party on what to say waaye su fekkee lii mu ngi am buuba too bu passé nii war ñu war a gis façon yi waaye loolu mu ngi continuer
last too bi amoon na
am na mu ngi continuer loolu mooy dëgga so dama ne képp ki nga xam ne yaa ngi wax ci plateforme bi da nga war a wax lu neex président bi da nga war a wax li nga xam ne président indi na booxool président indi na kuréen président indi na lii waaye yow waruloo wax yow waruloo wax
waxoon nga ci too bi but you were not friendly with them but they allowed you to talk.
What do you mean I'm not friendly with them? Listen, that's what I'm saying.
No, he wasn't even
it's a lesson. It's a lesson.
Tell it people
that they will never allow again. In fact, some of their supporters will be telling me this. Honorable, this time around we are moving.
See,
but we will never allow you to talk.
Honorable, I'm telling
you.
The real thing you should say to people.
Sento bi passé nii. NPP supporters. NPP.
Honorable mi ne kan na ba batwa la
no arama ñëw rek arama ñëw rek lii la nekk di wax
lii si biti
tey honorable last year wax alaaw ne la nga wax suñ plateforme te ñun xam ne nekkuloo NPP nekkuloo président Barrow you are not pushing President Barrow's agenda you know that very well. I told them yes you know, last year allow it's all about democracy. But this year, this is our platform. Election is approaching. We can never allow you to speak, even if we are going to have meeting in your area. But they never have meeting in my area. The constituency were galvanized. That is their plan. I understand that. The way they want to do it, they can do it that way. If I wish to go to Nyamena Dankunku, where the meeting was held, I can equally go there. But they told me, even if we are going to have meeting in your area, you are not going to be allowed to speak. This is what they told me.
Who told you that?
NPP supporters. I might not mention names.
Who are these people?
I might not mention names.
No, mention names.
And last year, Bama Demefo, it was a surprise. NPP, when Mantaguma Kendamaino, there was no official letter given to me as well, inviting me there, of course. Why man dem na pour kan suma askan bi parce que dama demoon leeral askan bi ne jafe-jafe yu nga xam ne laa ñëw wax fii tey dama ko dee wax ci néegi député yi mooy problème yi ma bëgg a wax fii tey so bañ ma gisee foofu Do you know what they told me? NPP militants, in fact, top executive members of the NPP, they told me, you know what, Honorable? We know that you are never President Barrow. I told them yes.
Only
you know that
point.
No. You
Yes.
know that you are not NPP. I told them yes.
Yeah.
They told me, Honorable, you are very critical to the government. I told them yes. So then you should be mindful of what to say. Last year, I'm confirming to you now. So sometimes they would dictate people on what to say in their platforms.
All right, thank you. But Honorable, saying I come in for them Nindiko. Nga president wala bengol jele meet the people to. NPP la supporter le ka diamu je baake kwa ya fu nyame munatin. Fo ibuka platform o di mobe.
Buba. Lafsa fala nani na ko ligue ko. To nyala be banko sila mola. Ay to nyafo. Ay to nyafo mole akana mol ya nyini minna ama jabe. Sere watara jele. Mo be alon ko he shouldn't be a critic to a government. Maybe I'm a monetary agenda support, but I'll come to that. As a member, you are voted. You should support the government for the interest of your people. All right? But I come in for go. Only a mayor supporter in the streets. Koeman support. So this Iman.
Okay, so you are making your mayor supporters executive members. So it is those mayor people on the street. You are making your executive members. These are your executive members. I'm telling you. I said the executive members in your party.
I said
you calling them mayor.
I know
the people you are
I'll get back to you.
I said name names. You fear to name names.
Yes.
I will not.
So anybody that I don't know, it's just mayor.
I will not.
Listen, who tells you? Then I categorize the person on the level.
Said including top executive members.
He is not telling the truth.
No, can you
Let
withdraw
him
that?
just-
No, I just want you to argue on points. Please, can I?
Okay.
I'm not like
Okay,
you.
okay.
I let the road do
No, okay, that's so- sorry,
not tell
okay.
the truth.
No, I'm
So
not-
yes, no.
Wait.
Honorable,
Their platform is all about this.
Yeah, so I'll come back to you.
This is how their platforms
Buba,
are.
can I explain?
Anywhere, anyhow.
Yeah, I'll
Buba,
come
can I,
back to you.
Buba, can I
please.
explain?
Yes.
Can I explain a platform of Kenya Dile? There was a meet the people to in Busumbala. I didn't speak. Honorable, it's happening in my constituency, my own constituency. In Busumbala, I didn't speak. The speakers are decided by the governor. National people, Bindi people store. It's the governor. All names in the region. You have the Alcalo. You have the VDC. Na arrangement. I come in for arrangement in my constituency. When they come to my constituency, of course, we'll have a political because there is a chairman, member regional, president or representative in politics. So, but nanata Alcalo diamu, VDC diamu, me mata woma development la, and then the MP, Muso diamu, Muso toyala ele patakol. I don't come in for mouth money of president in Imbara. Allah patako mentala president. I mean Fanankali, Aliavo, can so sama ninga, ngo nini. Ndemanke Kerala, nke mole delegate Keroke. Ninku ngamin delegate fana ye kukali ala for president wa ngin sotole isa ya sama sakal I can give a bright example. Cabinet president on area in 2019 tour in Busumbala where I didn't speak. Busumbala muso wulte jela ko president ko Busumbala damma jarta kal hospital also because Busumbala was going to Yundum or Banjulundi or Farato but Busumbala damma a jarta ka soto. At that time, President Wulta ko abe doko kala anala mole to make so ajije. But President Malongo allowed the amole osabu. Kabineta inauguration I made it very clear and remind him. Cause this hospital, ni yemi lojam bi, Busumbalanko le a demand at that gathering. He was even happy. Because kabineta aketa kaba akele and nyin lo tono ko lo nyame akamin foko ni man support so dami ka lo nije. La fa itende ko it's not among I want to refute that it's not true. Among ka tonya. Ninga fa among ka tonya ninga. Yalo daming Makumbaya in my constituency I use that as an example. Ngo ni bango for example ta. Makumbaya area. Neither the last election 2016 President Barrow doesn't have anything there. 2017 my elections I don't have anything there. But excuse me, but it's been built there.
That is true.
Excuse me, but
now get them.
No, I cannot go on. Now to get them. That is why they move it there. That is the purpose. Honorable cannot call change your name. It's like ako. It's proposed that development some blood. Me may support. Ngafa ako. Yalo damin. Election of the cabinet man president Barolong. Imala mem ay kamendo dogo. Meni babulu. Imala agenda sawo wato. Ngo election result so. O ma fong la president ma winje o ma fong la ma winje But the president Masakunda clinicology. In that, nanga fa president fo mako kulon woto. E ke president ko man le ko nga clinicolo makumbale. So it's ready for inauguration. Kabiri nga kita another in the parliament nyindiro kala. Mini ka nyindiro ka technicians so ke. Yela sobe ke they have a democratic layout of every region. Which area population needs this one and this one. So a assessment again in my constituency. I would have asked them to take it to Lamen because I have more support in Lamen. I would ask them to bring it to Yundum or upgrade Yundum or Kirawan. As far as mbe bango bele yen support man support mbakele excuse me I want him to buba kanon cut me there because you didn't cut Omar when he was talking so Omar la kumo gabo it's very clear. I have a tangible example. Go to election house, you look at the results. Makumbaya area or surrounding area B is a stronghold of APRC. They didn't support the government, they didn't support President Barrow, but the young money bansakunda man support kam I support sincerely for the interest of your people. But ni o masakunda na ton ajego yamire minti mangoti. Me I am for everybody. You give me your vote, you don't give me your vote. When it's due for your right, I'll give it to you.
Ngela point mo ilasa on the
so as ataraji so that's
ngela point understand that iko aka molu ma ko na atara you are not supporting them. I understand that point. So maybe I want you to talk about this Ahmad about Ahmad Baye meme for last year meet the people too ko ako honorable latin na man silo law in Nyamena is anung akira National Assembly ako anung ita fanambe National Assembly
buba left
how true is that statement?
Yeah, left of it's not true.
Munoti
allow for kala support baliam nanga ko bagli buba wala na iko politicians left
ama support no
left I tendile ko
ask you if that has ever
I'm coming let me talk no
sir
how you ask a simple question.
Yes.
Why didn't you attend this year's tour and you attended last year?
Yes.
But you gave 30 minutes talking.
Okay.
And you come to the point.
No,
it's very
yes,
simple.
Go straight, yes.
I'm coming. Oman soto.
Muna wadi.
Kafuko ni mama sakunda support. Item the development soto.
Hanga je understand sir.
No. Ako ataman silo support. Why man silo diala? Buba, I have a road in my constituency from Mandinarin to Brikama, Makumbaya via CDC, Kubarko to CDC. I am a keen supporter of the government, but I'm a hand sign. Karundinga alone ko sincerely. I want my brother to be very honest. Ndinga alone ko masakunda kata nyaming ani ko soto nyaming.
I think this is my beautiful question. The question is I'm not saying in language. I'm not go. In constituency. Ako ye ko do na le mo le député bu ngoto pour que slow da nyaming easy.
Honorable understand the question.
Let me say this. Let me say this.
I want to help my brother. Buba, I want to help my brother.
You see, just go to the question stage. We don't have that much time.
I don't declare. I'm not speaking for the president, neither for anybody. I'm speaking in my capacity as a National Assembly member and supporting the government. So
and the constituent.
The best answer to that question is Ahmad.
But you just said that
there are points me and go. There are SAB's name here. I got him to talk to him. Omar, let's support this one. He will vehemently stand in the parliament to say he's not going to support it.
And that is why.
That's not true.
That is why.
Excuse me.
That is why.
Let me go. That's one.
This
Omar,
this particular
if you
one.
don't do, excuse me.
Yes.
If you don't do, I know Ahmad Bado is not part of the planners to plan which road to be built. But Ahmad Bado used as a point against you. Yes, because your people doesn't.
That's the point. That's the point.
Your people doesn't vote you.
That is the point.
To go and against the government.
So you are saying that Ahmad Bado used that as a political point.
It's a political point.
Yes.
Because
but it was not true.
Listen, I go against.
Withdraw that word.
No,
withdraw that word. Withdraw that word.
I said I withdraw.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Omar Kalole Klimbale Akono Mindia Tai. Omar is not a critic to the government. Omar is lousy in the parliament. He only talks. The agreement doesn't change anything.
But you agree that Ahmad Ba's point was a political point. He just wanted to get a political point. But that was not the actual thing on the ground.
No,
that's what you confirmed.
No.
You already confirmed.
No. I cannot do that. You cannot force a word into my mouth.
This is a live program.
Never in my mouth. I cannot accept.
Already confirmed that.
I have confirmed. At this right moment, I cannot tell you which funding this man.
But you are the National Assembly.
Yes. No, I cannot tell you right now. But there are. I will go to him. I'll go to him.
You are the one rejecting. I can give you names that you have rejected.
Let me go.
One of which is the draft constitution.
Yeah.
I can give you names of things that you have rejected.
You want to bring it here?
I may close this call. No. Let me come.
I can name names of things.
Can you all listen now?
That you rejected in the
No.
National
Can you
Assembly.
listen? Both of you should listen.
I'm ready to talk about it.
I'll be along my side.
I don't regret anything.
Let me make this point clear.
But people are watching. People need to listen to you people. Natural man.
No, it's
Okay.
nice for us.
Bala kilo blandi kan albe kerfatu le jibe kan and official le nyim programme ito le blodo nyim programme ko official number 7 and number 2 ito le tamo Gambia banko kanjang natrebe Gambia bantra dong ni nata al official line o sang number 2 wala number 7 dong na credit ko bukata nyaman na megabyte abita bakele fanang andong wati ka tu promotional kilale wa na layno bal bulu dong al si gagné no wati la officiel da maleka o kiale Gambia banko kanja to lenyim programme o fasa ka sembentu ande ko nga fale nyamen dom bi nga honorable Sekouba Jajule soto mbulu bala marakarola honorable Omar Cissé honorable Sekouba Jajule National Assembly member ti Busumbala constituency bari honorable Omar Cissé lem National Assembly member ti Nyamina East nte buba gaji gole programme of course am nyaton kaya honorable lafta ngana ila statement no I'm coming to you. I'm coming. Lafta na ila diamo la DCI diamo tale in Wellingara. Ila diamo mi alon ko wole kije. Kabri diamo ta iko natara moka wasanum. Ila konso e ba fala ko sayatol wasatale bari hani sayeng ale fendol ye president ngo tentu ay fenkol but don't you mo jamale jala nyinnale am fem fonye for force ila statement to yeminke yer Wellingara
mo jama man jalay afalo ko
man jalay rol moy
Ibrahima Jarani wole ko mo le
talking about Jarani
no they are my boys obviously I like them
okay yeah
ngami foye adama dingo kumo ni ya foye mamoyi ajinin ka ku bar neste bino continue ngami fo la bon continue de nko kabri ngofo stop telefon in the middle of the sentence nko mole ko president mambo state house sign kabri 3 o'clock and intel banyo Boba, if you are sitting with me like this, so close, more than I have the opportunity in the middle of my people. Ni mbedi amo minkelano. Ye, adibe jabo minkelano. Tonya kang. Ninta the podium they give you 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes because I'm time. But unko mole ko, unko ndire, unko nyata moga wasano. Mba person abaraka. Katunga minyini. Yar molwa mizonde ngolo so. President e jabi e president ni ngela mol kono il faut la mol dam amotike ay jabi il faut la mol kono koteke je ena murungo e jabi within 30 minutes ena murung problème o kan ay jabi ne ene o senga koteke wan lo tango ho president mambo state house sande kabin 3 o'clock na be nyoka hakili malia lonko to nyanda fengo fo jang nga fole ngo bare na do ko lon hadu buga wasa pour nga fo ngo diamo ñu fo nyam
so ite na la on conversation yela problem
very good all the problems adu namol fanan diam sitele diamutay all diamutay ay jabi la mi yalongo ndol nga alhamdulillah jiko biyele because man sakunda bo nyam ay tendila ko man sakunda la do ko nyum beti pour kaki bar man sakunda kata nyamen alla honorable ya kalam tale bari na plano la hamolo nyidi anda kata nyed man tabe mbati nde fon le nata sign I am the chief advisor but I have technicians ni nada fena mfana mbe hakilo bulana ko makumba yade honorable minister makumba yade ntar nunjele ko rabi jibam I can advise in that way ako wokita opportunity for the people of Busumbala constituency Ibrahim Ngolo Foyta wala ka bindi bono within 30 minutes ngana podium ka yalla ka bindara podium fondo I didn't want to talk but ngo moye minke pour ya senga and again no platform odje mol ba ko president lettre kana so president asafono le mi amor nandami but I aborda milia nko mbagna podium do kayta ndimo lo ko president bodendele ya ando anyinni nyineke nde kon danda bake ni ajube every constituency some of the constituencies or most of the constituencies they have one ambulances and I have 2 ambulances 2 clinics buba at this time ado ambulance no clinical be amanko ko president la samba je nyamare people demand for it and they are necessary wala ngai ni president yakadu la min beto na constituency la kumata beto because makumbaya kubarko kubune bafuloto galoya mandinaring kungu nyanjata ya babylon selatije lotantije karambundije bar ninga opportunities nga koto wo mo ni sa sa ka tsare do kan ni mo ya fe ko combo kuranto ka sire sare do kan ka lo ka banyuri ning ka mandinaring itelala all those people are on that.
Alright.
Man secunda yo assessment ke those people are needed they pre there without asking any political party they belong to. So ngolo boy ko this is why nko president ko ning a trako you know harama nko wasanu awura because president tabane ko ke ning ko president ko na siloda ata minister ko manda sa so mal siloda aba ko ni minister ba discuss la mbeyne ke kam nga plano kele nakukuma ba mi mbende urim back busumbala football filo already is approved they are working on it pour ka fence Unimla football filo is on pour ka fenke lamen Gardner approved tel pour ka fence okay you come to Kerewan we are building a clinic there but nina ta wala fondi gela karola okay makumba afana they have a football field me ko a be resta president ya but min kuma ya tan dima ba ke wala mi silo min boda mandinari kata biri kama true bafulo to kabako ba kumba ya kubar ko CDC kana airport wo kuma tan baba wake
and you fine
ngofo kadri ngofo ay
yamira anyana ta kanyu fo president o amaki janti
ani imam Baka
I know that
kadri ngobe file
your priority
just no banga jabiro fo molié akabri ngobe file na molié fo nga file ko dami fo honorable silo nying is approved tale mandina rim brikama because I have a platform do jeni aka friend ya mandina rim brikama approved tale ako abe OIC project ko phase 1 phase 2 phase 3
Third phase abe world.
Third phase lekon.
Okay.
And our phase will be described. Phase 1 will start at the 50 kilometer within Kombosia. Phase 2 will be the main highway from Airport Junction right to Srinkona. Phase 3 will be this road. Man, what is it?
All right, thank you very much. I'll get back to you. Honorable. So, was it what? No, Matungana saying I give you enough time. You understand?
Definitely.
Ala statement. Do you think Anyanta Diamonalum president or personally? Fong na dafa warna waha president personally, or dafa warna was a platform buñ ko jox pour mu wako fofu. Nga fone because I want
to be very honest to him. There is nothing wrong him sitting with the president to spell out or to lay out the challenges that his people are facing. There is nothing wrong with that.
Okay.
But again, there is nothing wrong for people to know that Honorable Sekuba, the one we elected as our representative, okay, having occupied this, the podium and speak about some of those challenges that his people are facing. I think there is the best platform where one should spell out everything, because that is the purpose of the tour. We must not forget that.
Yeah.
We must not deviate from that. Because moom wax ak president bi wax naa ne there is nothing wrong with it. waaye ñaata nit ñoo am access pour dégg loolu ñaata nit ñoo ko nekk di wax complain ndax ñooñu they are very sure ne Sekuba wax na loolu président bi indoor wala waxut ko ko. Kan moo xam ndax Sekuba was prioritizing fii la supportut fii area bi Makumba Yalla area bi la support soo ñële mu negle leen all these things can happen in between. So loolu moo important moo tax dafa war a taxaw si podium bi ñëpp dégg ko mu wax li nga xam ne loolu la war a wax soxlaa nit yi ñëpp dégg ko loolu moo tax loolu laa def ñaami ne is moo tax ñëpp dégg ko te loolu moo neexutoon nguur gi bëgguñ ko waxee noonu waaye li may wax buba mooy I am that person who will always stand to advocate and support national interest. National agenda does not belong to President Barrow. This country, there are so many things that we want to achieve, with or without President Barrow, with or without Mama Kande, with or without Senator Dabo. This country still needs certain things that we need to achieve. It doesn't matter which president is in place. Omar Sise cannot stand to deviate from that. Omar Sise cannot stand against that. Saying that Honorable Omar Sise is against the president, saying that Honorable Omar Sise is against NPP, Honorable Omar Sise can against the NPP, can against the president, but I can never against the nation. That can never happen.
You can never.
How can I stand against the nation?
Who is the nation?
That can never happen. Okay. So obviously, whether President Barrow is there or not, this thing will continue. So it's important. I want to make that clarification. That Honorable Sise, Nila Mel, Mota,
you are still
president.
You are confusing.
So he is going against the national interest. He is going against the national interest. You know what? All that the president is doing is to feed his political party, to ensure that he has supporters.
Yes.
This is the purpose.
Yes.
And I am not into that. I will never subscribe to that. Yeah. I will never succumb to that.
He's against
this. I will never do.
No. He's against the state.
I can never do that. So li ma bëgg mu understand mooy toobi dafa bari li nga xam ne government bi den ko wax ko.
Sorry, abana la ay pare.
Dafa bari li nga xam ne nguur gi den ko non waxta waxuñ ko moy lan ben suñ draft constitution bi xaalis yu bari leen si ñàkk ndax dégg nga ñu waxtaanee ko si too bi waxuñ ko lan moo ko féel waxuñ ko xaalis buñ si dépense waxuñ ko ak ban jubluwaay leen si am waxuñ ko jaana commission bi xaalis yu bari leen si ñàkk waxuñ nit yi fan la implementation bi toll lii people need to know this. These are some of the policies that you told people, that you formulated, that people supported you to establish. We need to know the status of that implementation. Is there? Now the TRRC is here at the corner. They're getting the brouhaha going surrounding the TRRC. President, what does he want? Yow dégg nga mu wax si waxu si dara.
dégg nga mu wax. It's important. No, you have to moderate. Bringing issues here and go.
No, wait.
It's like even time was like
wait.
Ha, even I job, you need a time was sit. I want to talk to the people. I want to tell this boy. But you need a time was sit.
Are you guilty or what?
Guilty me.
Okay, then listen. So Buba, li ma nekk di wax mooy li ma nekk di wax mooy Midi People Store dafa am si luñ ko war a sent te yii nii dafa important nekkul ne nga dem dellu askan bi rek la waaye lu la askan bi waxoon daaw 2017 18 19 20 li nga xam ne startoon nga ko ak askan bi da nga leen war a wax foo si toll ak lan mooy sa jubluwaay ak lan moo si war a xew loolu moo tax ma indi the issue of this draft constitution. Lolu moo tax indi the issue of this Janneh Commission. Lolu moo tax indi the issue of this TRRC and security sector reform and institutional reform. Lolu moo tax indi ko so lii nit yi da nga leen war a wax foo si toll loo si nekkee di liggéey ak lan mooy nekk outcome bi of that lii la nit yi bëgg a dégg waaye président yii mensonu si dara moom daal li muy wax mooy ñëw leen NPP am na ko jógee GDC ñëw na NPP am na ko jógee UDP ñëw na NPP président bi su ko waxul ñu fa nekk ñoo ko wax platform bi is the president is the president
yow da nga ragal supporters
is the president.
Let's be fair to each other, please.
No, this boy is...
Allow me to maintain this program well. I will come back to you. Nila diam time.
I want to make the program.
I think there's need for them to better orient themselves. To orient their people so that they can understand what to say in some of these platforms. Because they lack ideas.
We draw the orient. You cannot just
they lack policies.
Yes.
They lack programs
okay,
in order to relate to the people so the people can understand and support them.
Yes.
So Lile Nyak. So Toby is purely politicized.
Yes.
So the purpose of the tour is defeated. Let's take it that way. Because njëriñu Toby won ko askan bi ku leen neex mooy wax ku leen neexul duñ wax. Nit ki li ngay wax mooy you have to praise President Barrow su nekkul loolu you are not there so lii moo nekk too bi yëpp waaye président maa ngi la xamal yow Sékou Ba Jaaju ak
xamal askan bi si biti
na leen President Barrow dafa betray nation bi te dafay wàcc
waaw
li nga xam ne la sign ak askan bi xam nga man li ma dee gën a bañ mooy ñu ne coalition it's not about coalition.
You are talking about it too. Let's drag us back.
No, it's about the same betrayal.
No,
it's about the same betrayal.
You bring that.
Honorable,
you can't bring that. We bring people's name.
Do you know why that is important? Do you know why that is important? In 2016, the president went out to campaign.
I can give you that.
Okay, in 2016, do you know why I'm bringing this? Look at me in the moy. 2016 President Adama Barrow ak ay nitam ak coalition bi den génn nañu campagne si ay sarta pour nit yi jàppale leen si loolu kon foog naa ne su wiinee ñu ngee ñëw jubluwaat élection 2 months to élection kon President Barrow war naa fàttalil nit yi wala nit yi war nañ ko fàttalil li nga xam ne la waxoon nit yi since 2016 ba mu tax ñu sànni ko karta ndax achieve la loolu wala achieve fu loolu so loolu moo tax maa ngi indi issue
foofu la ñoo duggee si suñ beneen topic bi moo nekk of course Sepra send I think I pronounced this well. Send survey buñ def yagot, right? They are giving GDC I think 5% small fat chance of win.
Very well.
And the president is at 31%.
Yes.
UDP 15%.
Exactly.
And yeah, the president will wow. But this survey is showing that the president will continue.
Thank you very much. And it's important that you are bringing this up. You see, institution, but that's so baby. Whether they are students, whether it's an institution established, whatever the body might be, or whatever they are called, I respect them because they are doing their job. Whether the people subscribe to that or not, it's their job, and they should continue doing their job. They are expert in that area. That is them, okay. But the people that they were consulting only share their opinion. It's their opinion. And that does not constitute the opinion of all. It could be targeted individuals. I never know who are those that they contacted to give this their opinion. But I am telling you, in 2017 or 2019, Banjul, Rohim Malik Low, lend for last Lisby, Mojul Force. In KMC, Talib Ben Suda, lend in one last, Talib Mojul Force, Bakari Bajilan Johan Force. So that is their opinion. I have no problem with individuals' opinion. Let them say so. But what I'm so off and what I am certain with, that is GDC is winning come December 4th. Then on the 5th, we are inaugurating the GDC leadership.
Congratulations.
That is all.
Congratulations.
All right. Thank you very much. Honorable, ngadiam about this survey la. Separate survey minke. Anyway, equal with 31% ya learn the world. Ye survey. Allah mo lial welcome le anyway.
Buba ni aje dim Omar be diam ganga pareka intercept because akumo do for prasi sumu pringa clear ni molla. Ni wenyi ngale ko tuko male kaje ko Omar min for that's the right thing. You bring another question. It's going to be very difficult. I moderate. When we are coming, we're going to talk about the nation address. Oh, sorry, the Meet the People story. And
I am telling you what the president
will say. Very good, very good. You see,
come on, I follow. So we have passed that. He was given example. So let's talk about this survey.
I want to tell my colleague that they cannot be in the opposition and rule the government.
Yeah, also in the opposition. NPP is opposition. Who is in government? NPP is opposition.
Yeah, there is a coalition government.
Do we ever tested the NPP party?
Then
every political party in this country is considered opposition political party. Be it NPP, GDC, UDP, all of them. In fact, if we are talking about a party that is already in government, UDP could have even be the better party to describe in government.
UDP is the biggest.
Because UDP product.
No,
of course you are UDP product. You should acknowledge that.
You see, you cannot force me to acknowledge.
No,
because you are not me. Excuse me.
Okay,
you are bringing that because
you what you are today.
You
so Lulu mo am solo. You recognize ko.
Political point.
Dafa
melni if you are so GDC winning GDC as a party excuse me
can you listen Ali Lamoyba
there is no political party in government.
Honorable
there is no
NPP leader is in the government.
Leader, yes, we agree. So but it's not NPP was never elected in government. That has never happened. NPP was established not long ago.
Yeah, but
so you want to claim the government?
We put more ground than your party. Who has and we will win on the 4th of December, inshallah.
Can we continue on the victory? That is certain.
Can we continue?
What are you talking about?
Okay, thank you very much, Honorable. Thank you.
The opinion polls will not give you 3%.
Thank you very much. So, Honorable, continue from the opinion poll. Because this is already getting out of hand.
It's not out of hand, obviously. It's not out of hand.
So, they are about the survey. I want to open the line.
Nimba ba korta ki kindro kele. Omar korta la kindro la. So la family tendela ko it can no opposition they want to rule the government. So the government is ours. And again nintara president tata president ke la me molela. Ni mole men fa ka men mol jabo ko wat tabulu. Aka mol jabi wala. Aka men for draft constitution aka men for jane commission aka men for TRLC. It's even I'm very much disappointed for him to talk about TRLC because TRLC is a body minimum for do
No, listen.
We cannot talk about that.
No.
I want you to understand. He cannot say.
No. Wait. Let me say this. Niti dafa am lu ko wara wax. Niti dafa am lu ko wara wax.
Niti.
Ku tontu loolu waaye moom itam dafa am lu wara wax niti. Mo ne wuram gi dum nekk di
listen and we
dafa wara wax loolu.
Honorable. So loolu nga ko di wax léegi déglul da nga déglu dañu war a ubbi line si tamit da nga déglu but ay min fo lem ñindi ko ako ay dol to fo le ba ko TRLC fele malo wala ko be kala ñaan
exactly
kala ko dem ka ko
this is a life everything that is said no ila
so tell people
continue with
the TRLC they are concluding their report they are developing their report but should have tell the people that
is barely chairman of TRLC
it doesn't matter Barrow is the one who established that
honorable legi deglu
which is important
deglul mu continue legi
nit yi war nañu xam TRLC bi fu mu toll.
Your mic is off. So can we continue with the give me just your reaction about the survey. We open the lines, please.
The survey?
Yes. The survey. Surprise.
Haraba dungo. Mbeo be diamu mbela jeng. Na miracle. I for opinion. If I call opinion, who is not perfect among final. So I am happy I opinion, but I find salon I feel from opinion.
But that's not where that's how I started. No, I said all that we are doing here is our opinion.
Muna harama di
Come on, it's usually listing now.
Bala viewers bi mi maretan because deguma olof. Yo mil na neke yo understand source bi lo mota ma wax lolu. Mané xamal na yo lu nga nek di wax ni yo. How mi ngam it's only your opinion there.
Exactly, and that's how I started.
Very well. And you give example.
Yes.
Man, the opinion pool, they even give less percentage to President Barrow.
Because you are a Barrow and you believe that you are going to win.
You think that 31% is less?
Because a sample selection. Okay. No one. When I was going to elections, they do sample selections. They didn't ask me. Who they ask, we don't know. That's their job. A sample selection. You do sample selection. You don't ask anybody. Everybody, you do your sample selection and see what is happening. You like a sample selection of respond minketa, and ye jibe mimbe caring, the crowd mimbe pulkang, and then the science majority mimbe diamka. And then the trend of politics mimbe takan science. Meaning, what is born in the political arena? Who is more going to be favored? So a percentage me the President Barrow is small. The silence majority, the greater percentage of silence majority are sympathizing President Barrow or supporting President Barrow.
But I'm surprised that they failed in Banjul and also KM.
Well, I got opinion of way. They fail. Depends. Why I am saying this, President Barrow from Nakarle, they should give him more percentage. You know why? Kabiri assessment, your sample selection. Your sample selection.
Yeah, they did it through telephone call.
Through telephone call, then they have. When they have 10, they want to have 10 questionnaire. They ask, 8 says for President Barrow. That means percentage going to be for President Barrow. But nobody again, come and look at the crowd, the gatherings. Yo, GB. 2, GB, what are the burning issues now going on in the political arena? Who is going to be more favored because what is being born? And that's all for no. Because I'm to a political point of it. I will not tell him that. But Mimbe Diam can sense I can be for ending. Yaja Gambiano. Alangamurum Koma Jibe Gambia. What is trending the trend in politics? And now we are talking about politics. The trend in politics. Mimbe tell me political. President Barrow is in the stronger and the right footing. What is yes? Yes, Ngolmira. To be honest with you, I am thinking Ala yala decision okela. Ala way decision okana and I accept anything minaraji. Akamimpo MP GDC is going to be win. Now UDP in UDP Buffalo that is not true because they are going. Hani pool UDP is next. So then President Barrow win. Opinion also and the reality me caring. Number of people me tagantendi and the initial support, the initial so grassroots, initial support me caring no. UDP could be the next government President Barrow.
Yamira ko nim baroti je UDP la.
Nim baroti je UDP la.
But not GDC.
GDC is dead. Wala. That's why okay. This year many people so Amanda Diam.
Straight away Melano they run away from
Nyamina West is an example. GDC stood against us. We won them.
Your time is over, so we may call us all Tala sign. 20354888 may direct call sol aning WhatsApp call sol be Tala Walto. Already Molbe calling for operator. So I'm gonna first call at a line auto. Hello. Yes, we're live on Kerfar. Yes, thank you. Yes, hello, you can all have demanding. All right. Yes. Nga kumandela dolta line auto ja kumandela le besiarim back so bon be molbe dan la rek moy kumandiro ke moy nyinin karo soro nyinin karo ke barinte nendirol tala moy nendiro ke definitely be kuntula programme mo nyintole. Yes, hello, ibe live. Hello. Hello. I don't know, I am having problem with this Kumandirla Lesiata, I think Kumandirla Lebenyoka. Hello, ebe mo yakane? Okay, yes. We live on Kerfado. Continue.
Yo, Buba, salam alaikum. On the program of Yarba.
Abarka Bage.
Yo, love Honorable Caesar Contana and Sekuba. Okay. But not a view for Sekuba. What I mean to call Sekuba Nulmo Flinger Lalet. Because Sekuba Nyanta, I Honorable Caesar can you buy? Nita Kide Sanotombo. Ghana Sanoji, the Ekabla. Sekuba can you opinion polo Mufai? Nalo, so they don't like that on call. 65% of Ghana are the Baro Mukata. But NPP,
Buba, but Mbuka Moye. Can you do something, Amoye?
Okay. Alright.
You understand? The Sekuba Jaji will get a postal to be, but will open cake or a better old matter. You understand? Will they don't, will Mantra can get interest, will be a pocket policy, but will children go better. But one way I will get a better man who can never go. Baro Bajin the Nielson, the Bajin and Sudara.
Okay. Awa foka ne gambe bukara ko technicien ol nal sem mako no telephone dola aliana na mol ko e bukama 100% o mille banta wol ba moy la le bot dol ko e mantra moy kam nal si telephone dola number nati no mole o use that will be better. Hello
Assalamu alaikum. Tell Jere Jawle, Switzerland, Zurich.
Jere, welcome. Ibe live le on Kerfado.
Okay, abaraka bage ka trial no bukal soro. I just want to contribute very shortly.
Okay, Jere, sorry, can you hold on? What's the number call now? 2759338 2759338 2759338 2759338. What's your call now? Yes. Hello. Okay, I'll be right back.
So they betray. They cannot present anything to the Gambians that Gambian will believe them.
Okay.
And thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Switzerland, Zurich.
Thank you very much from Switzerland. Abarka bake. Na technician ole mobile ol na tenya be lokren. Hello.
Boya, very funny.
The phone is locked, yes. And they gave it to me. Honorable Adialam. Yes, hello Inimbara.
Hello, Buba.
Yeah, Inimbara kotande.
Inimbara kotande.
Tande ibe live le on Kerfado.
Okay, well, anyway, alla program odi ada.
Abarka bake.
Baranga mumpola Sekuba. I was very disappointed on Sekuba.
Okay, I think Honorable Alba mo kan sa.
Anda mo kan. Very good.
Sekuba nada mo poroti no. Ada ninyo may naka nyo sa platform mo.
Okay.
Ako malak mo mo de.
Ako namu dolti no ni nyimma nyanna ka sinum platform or nga dota line no thank you
ako do ma nyanna ka si
very
I shouldn't sit with you to challenge.
Hello alaikum salam. Hello yes Kerfado we be live.
Okay
kanela device wala moy ndolla moy jan direct ni device wala moy don in intende amunola. Okay, all right. Hello. Yes, we live on Kerfado.
Yeah, bo ebe nyan.
Abi jang kotande.
Tande. Nko Sekuba ante ala kuenja kallo. Igo ne Sekuba ko baroka ke lamoyla. Baro bo ke don lamoy because ne ajibe last year made the people store. Kuma kawal men for the day. So netul ka baro yama. Yama this year for na platform kilondo kuma kan civil go for. Nadara baro ke la yama romo.
Okay.
Okay, okay, they are all to learn because I cook a baro yama. Sometimes I look a baro yama.
Faga yama room.
baro na mona Gambia la problem of afon la problem afon ka wala so sa mo ba
Callers should say where they are calling from. It's important we know. I will respond to them.
All of these callers, the ones that I receive, all of them are calling from diaspora. Yes. Abargabake. Yes. Hello. Yes, it all. Yes, me, my God. I don't know. Okay. I try now. Hello. Ibe moy ganda
follow mbe sambala romendila atondila Omar la wala nyinti asala patili da kontonye bawo mole mati me alonko ayala molu ya sindi kamo men kan ayo foroyati mandile ala patiyo molle aki pour kate da akango dandam parlementa be wala kan hanisai
okay
bar seku ba jajusi mbadi amundila pra hakilo dumbanko akadi amun tol meye nabe mu Gambia dingol let andum beta da karambu sifa kilingol leto mbebota sate sifa kilingol leto ndebota jamburla te bota busumba bare fo se kuba jaju siya tenin ala nin kila tema même mu se kuba jaju ti ko tonya fo atenin ala tema te campaign kanim pati jumalla pour men ya te sindi men nu laji ko kan ayeda pati jumalla alinki
because you can provide this
ala
parliament to dukare sekuba ndimbe politiko kono ndim kon to lutilintale alin kali tilin nin to nyala ko ite bitre balake yela molu jamfa kolenna ne alon ko anin silo man takatu UDP ko wala liye bandero finge kunto wala li wurte kunto wala liye ko be ko kano wala te sindibe palaso mendo ndiye bitre itate fongo e kata pati do kata modo support kata barola pati wona da sai hane adama baro e wala ay banko bitre in the first place ko ade menkela banko ka wala sanji sabati kana changes nyol fe membe ko constitutional kata yin to mal you name the rest I mean ite ning alete kana hanyi kasi yimbulay ka fonte ka tonyale fasa ye nya biti wo kolbe kam bari mol mem jiko sifa kinoti wala likatano imaje ite adama baro menke Gambian ko layta fane wala kela molula para embala fa bak ni ta gagneta next election ndebo jam burumbe sawna nam busumba layta gagnela wallahi te gagnela sekuba ye mol bitre
all right abarka bake thank you very much walam kebasa waleti Helsinki chairman ngamera barka bake nga commander la dolta line to mi la lonko
I have to respond
yeah you respond I will
no any question you don't have any the only thing I know for mama gonna you greet mama gonna for him
yeah
yes
hello alaikum salam
hello buba namba
ya buba be live on kerfatwa
all right thank you very much dolan jilan ko jammelo Milano Italy of the contribution plan the program do
okay
all right actually nga nyini ngar fulale soto sek ba jaju la karola la fa Ibrahim ma ay yolle jabi ñew
okay be moy kan
afa nyini ngar follow wala nyinti NPP aflenting 2 months before going to election for itol ye manifesto soto le bankade Gambian ko han kabi bela manifesto ji ko ya soto baniya soto fana be mun dole mine adna han kabi Gambian maaje no 2 months la je kata election and be manifesto je no malo mine be dol wala ni dol tata campaign no malo be mine alo padiyo padi be Gambia ki la manifesto lo famo wala ni la manifesto famo le wala ka na Gambian ol ke ha ka fe sign 2 months de link ka fe o tema malon fay manifesto sodol bang kad Gambian ol koy maaji so
okay clear
all right see the other question is walam draft constitution wala karola ngame ani Umar Sise be nyosa ba kan Umar Sise kay ko atul le vote draft constitution wala ka ko no atul la reject bara ay deny afa inde ko sa de o vote min ke ka fo no abana draft constitution wala fa de ma lo nyin na ko to la fay banta ba ala fa I understand ba ngadi
a question or repeat ko
na may la deny num kabe Omar Cisse ka fa to le draft constitution on reject parliament ngaji la adina ka fa de mantra o mol kon say ate o vote min ke ka fa no fa te o fe on no wala man ke nyinde bang ka reject ma
okay you can understand
alma moy
ako moy lebe Omar Cisse ba
afala ka amandra biya ma ko
ba dina kan ne ko ye draft constitution ako fo ya ye vote min ke fo malon wala ya fay wala draft constitution
pourquoi jabi afay ko nga vote min ke against the draft constitution I don't regret it.
Okay, all right, thank you very much. Ibala question dol jabi la ñaato demande hello all right commander lale
so my time do not respond if you are still continuing.
Yeah, they're not respond. Legi say new close. I just want to take few callers new close. Hello.
Yeah, assalamu alaikum.
Enembara kada bage itodu
alhamdulillah ntomo mala men na tembe telefono la
Birkama okay welcome
lafta honorable Cisse lafta tepeni kala kufla la dukare
okay abe moy ga
kufulo wala nyinte ko bayre nga jelo ko nyim masakunda na basic needs mini alon ko jiyo nin kuram nyim masakunda man fenne ke no je nyim fenke je ko jiyo nin kuram ay soto modi GDC man sakunda andi sita foi programa sukule wakama ba foi maso ya sto la rin ne fulo bang foi maso to ni dol panan sita nyim man sakunda menke kasi ka kata ka jube lambang wala itoli la kol da la foi be sharing be ba dapta nyi kala
honorable Cisse okay all right abe maka all right so mo mbiri mu ne ndax sen yeen sen groupe suñu am ngeen dara lo xamne yeen ang ko tek mbiri ndox ak courant
okay ñu koy def dañu continue
yeah da nga answer question bi last call la ñoo jël mom la wéké na last call timbe mintala then ñu ci question ñu taako hello all right wo mantra mol moy ka nga do ta nga ke last call hello okay wo fana mantra mol moy ka nga dota nga ke last quality seems like kola solve lari ñokana yes hello
buba
na minimbara
pak set sabal Helsinki be konton na mbela mo fuloli be konton na NPP ni
akatodu
mama kandela mo
ako itodu Fadsen Sabal yeah welcome
Finland
Helsinki okay welcome
yo lafita min fola seku baya ka min fo mama kandela moye ko mama kande usenda bodo ya janna ka fako usenda bota silanya siran kan ta sutiyatale min mama kande o fo mama kande bolole mu bayring akele adam barole ya fado ya ni e fado ya mana mo sado ya la kantu mama kande moy janko ka fo mole ko usenda bo mun faleti de bar adam barolo ta janna ko gambia dingol yeko useni da bo mun ta faleta enta wulu politiko le kono ni fa fata imam kuno to bari fala kordala tayo o muy la din kuru yaleti andu nata je adam barole lo ta ka ba fala korra kaina nata je adam barole lo ta ka fo moli yeko mbe fa bori na fa nga butu se kono nata je adam barole ka fo ko ni koy tamu patrioti mo mambala wala ba koy tamu moti o mu fani yaleti adam barole kuma jama fa jana to bi ni ta e fanen ni mo lo ta ke fanen fay ta nyanta wori la wala
okay
anta nga wala fata kawo pase ku baye ko mama kande ni mama kande usenda bo doya aya mo be adi wala folo la wudi ma ni wulo politiko kono wala ya doya ni e fa doya mo sa doya ta kuno lay
barka bake thank you very much ante tenten nola ka kumandirol ta bayring wato min turaje akam tele ko zafono ko min turaje bantale mbe min kila don wolem mbe honorable question milbe bulo kola sola reaction
abaraka bake question jabo be mba be sono ndela perki be jabo
exactly pour ay sude
lafta mi tandila musunu min diamla science political father afai ko I have no answer for that. That's not relevant in national development. All right. Minike nyingaro ko deceiving, no trust. I shouldn't debate with Omar Cisse. whether advising UDP President Barrow or betrayal to President Barrow keba sabal min fo me keba sabal to fola don dangata ya lon ko bera ka bol na jamburle ay nasi busumbala mfa afaya ko akana bo jamburu ay tu jamburu doron aman jeri wala ay tu jamburu ay carte fay against Adam Barrow. It's very simple. Ay tu jamburu don ay jamburu doku ndol man sula ndol busumbala ko man sula la ko jamburu sulu wole so ndol wolo sulu ya ndol man la fo wala.
Honorable ngani kola tarek den nga
bari ko last caller don't break your protocol. You said last caller.
Ebe live la hello.
Assalamu alaikum buba ntelo nyima kinte
wa
ila mudi mbe fa kontonna mbe honorable Sise kontonna bari mbe fon la honorable kontonna mba fulay ko abaraka
nyima anti nyima abaraka ngodi ngendo
kana ko ikon kanata
ha Bango Dingendo. I will answer all these people.
Okay. I'm coming. The time that we invested on you during your campaign, you men for Molieko, Mekelali my quality Kalimenoto, Ntesinola. I will be vocal. Alianki men Nambakil Aduntol Busumbala constituency, Ntolio Jele.
Abaraka Jamburungo Moje.
Thank you for standing by the people of Busumbala constituency.
Thank you.
Because Munana now for Sekuba. Ye Busumbala constituency beke battling faking what? What division of the battling in Tola constituency tole? Ning men nata, ning party kota mon men bebe, Molka men for Mol Malon, but it's Hanning Tola St. Peters, Ntol Katakubariko, Makumbaya, woman no go a reality for any other party but APRC the Malaka win voto. Imam Mojamfa, Ibota Party la Kono. Iman signed to a cult. Yana muli nyanta mune jubela niko national interest. Ikana ajeko being intended ika fo mari yako ye mole jamfa mome yalon ko meni yakeje constituency mume menkeje ad mo dantan fanan atat anatol mantara kokili atol ka fay ko atol ye mole jamfa. Nte de birim tolbe pati intel be karta o fayle. Na fayene pour yen na tundo tay ya dada adibo kan. Adibe vocal linne adun lafta ka honorable Sise mbari malum yalo Sise ko nankol monte bari net
okay
mba folay ko tonya mashallah bari atebe sonnale itaka kumol men fay jam kata te kam men foko president Barrow woka tundo le dada me yalon ko ni momo kata support woka jele dada wallahi mo se ko wallahi ye jaw mo politiko se dia nyawnya alinna lolu kuka mela ko wala soto men soto ta wala ko president Barrow be Gambia le do kuka kabo katon fo koyna amma mo bandi nyoto president Barrow sa ko be mo bi albe ko mo be soto lala msafo la kal kam men be so bari nyindo nal fangol yo foko president Barrow kam mo forcele be même fo la platform moto ab kadu da konole no he is not that kind of person adum benna ko mo boy la dame min kana si ka foy ko brand envelope afoy abaraka ite kende yatale woto foy ite liaje ko ite honorable Chaju ite jartale kasam
very good thank you
kabo molle bul men yaro ko ilesitale munan ko ilesitale wol kamira ko fewo ka soto munen la mol bi sada nyini lale pour ite fewo soto banku do ko mbe walla alin na tiling nkana foko mba fola nyimma ka brand envelope la soto pour ka je ko nte go doyale len ka buli abe menkan ala costa nko
nyima e gonna time on bandale abaraka baake nyima
abaraka buba thank you so much for the honorable Jaju for representing Busumbala constituency.
Thank you we appreciate your call
yo abaraka baake nyima kinde jabirol to min nyin karol ke ka jabirol ke min ko nga mol nenele mol man lanna trosta ni mol tema afo ko ko ay video ko on ay keri fatu jibe fatu network jibe jerde jibe mol me president Barrow no fati kilingola ko ateman son president Barrow la wala hatnam wala molti bang nga jabu wala president Barrow advice o nte I'm not an advisor I just suggest to him and then nga advice min aboke kan president mol mi anka kila moyle momo ye fansun personal so ni ko be diam la usenda bal ko la ma wakande la ko nta banna yo betrayal min ko afa betrayal ke ba sabal la fayta ndela ko UDP ente bayla ndi mambo UDP de UDP mbele and man fenk yembay minne man fem fonye je ko nyeko you are you switch your allegiance to the government to Adam Barrow and when there was no MPP even the Bella Barrow there was no NPP andu nimo be sonde ko Adam Barrow UDP let no adu fon abe claim yalla ni bitrebe sotola an ko mo fu molye ni bitrebe sotola UDP le banko jamfa kabin UDP e dayale ko this is UDP government mo be derwol tuk je Adam Barrow ning sonde ba talata don iko Adam Barrow banko jamfa fo da UDP kelol la. Let them continue on that, but Gambians are listening to them. Okay? Manifesto jininga. Mimman imam minna doku long, imam min sembo long. Wala ka ala sembo itandi molla. Mimman baraka, wala ka mole baraka dale. Bar ndol sembe jolti baraka dale me doku ke kane. Bangu mol ndol la doku wala na manifestos. But in fact, como diamo do ko political way. IEC will not accept any political party without having a manifesto. One two. Fula nyaw ay tan website to. Yalon alnga ni ba mo ki criticize la alta yinto so dami go to the website kabin dol mena party launch la we've distributed our manifesto to the people manifesto be kirin so ba min nyando ko I'm not responsible for that manifesto min nyando ko kala nala to wolon na wolo nyini ngabang that's our administrative secretary the party leader min responsible to wol bo bollo nyoko do but again party min lota over 22 years ibe kelo ke gang ila manifesto ya bondi sign ne ya alnga ko understand ko ndolu mu parti mi yalanko mbe akekane jeni ka mo lembe nyine kala ndolu ba akekane so we don't need to talk to you about manifesto ndolu already we have a manifesto and Gambians are seeing that one right. So political father and issues like that me Hussein Dabo is my political grandfather
thank you very
right? But being a political father doesn't mean that you cannot differentiate la. I differentiate there on the national issue la. Hussein Dabo don't want to see the progress of this country under leadership of Adam Barrow.
Thank you very much.
Adam Barrow is the executive leader.
Time bandale. Honorable Amna Kullache, Mune, what do you have for water and electricity in stock?
Jerejef Buba, lolu amna solo. Xamna na time bi jeex na ba pare. Waye koku dama koy wax ran nako su fekkee moom xam na GDC te mu ngi topp programme GDC ak activities yu nga xam ne la GDC nekk di def GDC is a political party bi nga xam ne mu ngi def ba pare te fekk nekk government so wax ko na ko ñun suñu ñëwee nekk government dañuy continuer di def ñun dañuy start ñun den start ba pare so dañuy continuer suñu ñëwee government so plans yooyu yëpp ñu ngi fa.
All right, already. Thank you very much. Ngedole sotonu njambi Honorable Sekuba Jaju nga barka mbafla barka bake kana of course Kerfatu jam ko nga fo mole nyamen drong be political party ol bele na tila jam momo lafta kana drong ibinale fonata nge invite man son kana bodni nata rek be kacala le nyemu discussion ol timi alon ko nim politician ol be ba kala janga tintu ka je bake kana Honorable Sekuba Jaju atelem National Assembly memati Busumbala constituency Honorable Omar Cisse atelem National Assembly member of course nyamina is ngero le soro nun jambi nga official tendu ke jay bake kanyum programme fasa ka sementi andi ke blodo nyum programme ko to number 7 ni number 2 to lem best Gambia banko kanjang wati ton official ni promotion o ke si fen jama gagné no official nato number 7 ni number 2 le be bulu na megabyte anena credit go abetara bakale sa use no nyama wata te problem soro la je bari ngana technicien o tendu ke jay bake DJ Rocky bi Bouakar Sonko nga tenduka jay bake karafo Charles Elvis Ngom of course Mustafa Kinte Omar Ndaw Sire Drame ngitol be tenduke jay mi alon ko to lebe technical side yi seto bo beke bari mo kuma bal fana ngeten wolem jiber lalti mi alon ko ka sika nyim programme batika koronto fang talato e si pour nyim programme e na iba jibela nyame ngoto laynol mammobe tano be mol hakedani la milia kata man duno min dunno ta fana iman diamuno bebe hakedani dala mil dunta fana mbafole ala barka baki alla dungola kerfat wati rombe karlale ka kibarol di alla mi alon ko al lafta wolle moyla allal badi malem nun te buba gaji go fo talata na
eko be nyinin kala nga do ko min kana constituency kan ima woni nin kala tamo deputy tan challenge wala in this Gambia
I just take
nga do ko min kana banko kan
tamo bandele
sa jamur gol bolo na la ko nga sangata ke jamur deputy dem busimbal deputy
dañu ne ko sañi sabako ñanta constitutional review ñanta kilam ñanta constitution change sañi sabako war mo nga nata no election.
Let us not be labor too much time on those letters because I know they have relevance.
UDP is just calling on President Adam Barrow to respect the agreement that saw him to power and also to fulfill the promise that he had made to the Gambian people.
If you want to meet the target, we lost 22 years. We have to work 22 times more than when we are working to get to where.
It is false to say that this country cannot develop a budget that will sufficiently cater for the health needs of our people.
Me and you know that Barrow cannot move this country forward.
Your days of you have insufficient funds in your account are finally over.
The Colorado credit just reached an unbeatable level, raising the bar way beyond reach. With your new Colorado credit, you can continue your conversations with your loved ones with zero credit.
With your new Colorado credit, you can borrow credit to activate or purchase data, make calls, SMS Express, and the phone ring service.
Call or SMS 152 to get your Colorado credit and activate the service of your choice.
Where AfriCell goes, nobody dares to follow.
Are you thinking of owning your dream homes? EJ Investment is here for you. Secure our quality bungalows with 2, 3, or 4 bedrooms, or our story buildings 3 or 4 to 5 bedrooms at very affordable prices with flexible payment plans at our Sanyang Seaview Estate, where you can enjoy the cool breeze with modern infrastructure such as tar roads, covered drainage system, modern electrification with street lights, gated entrance with security posts, and social amenities such as gas station, shopping mall, medical clinic, park, schools, children daycare, and a lot more. Our dedicated team of professionals will keep the estate clean at all times, provide security and patrol team within the estate premises, install latest technologies such as CCTV, Wi-Fi, home network installation, solar panel, and power backup system. Also, check out for our additional home facilities and interior design service such as premium tiling, wall plaster, home landscape, fingerprint home lock, and a lot more. Visit our office at Senegambia Kololi Highway and get a free site visit tour, or contact us on 4464-838. WhatsApp us on 3259220. Or you can visit our Facebook page or Instagram on EJ Investments. EJ Investments, we are first in properties.
Sumanu baro kunjurunko ikonga faleko namu badabanda ilafla solala enie gambia bino gambia la sola enta na sola enterprise sola nimbati kendo kurao de dasala aboro sinenamo kagise na odila gambia la sola enta na sola enta na sola enterprise. Jaliwo sola kende soto jali man fofina o sola kende soto. Na enterprise sumanu baro kunjurunko.
Islamic microfinance is becoming an increasingly popular mechanism for poverty alleviation, especially for developing countries around the world. This microfinance service adheres to the principles of Islam as a form of social responsibility. Yona Islamic Microfinance is the Islamic microfinance of choice in the Gambia, trustworthy and reliable. At Yona Islamic Microfinance, we provide savings products, current accounts, financing products in conformity with Islam. In addition, Yona Islamic Microfinance also offers local and international remittances, Takaful Fund, management of Zakat, management of Awqaf, trading and investment, and building of strategic partnerships to bring financial services to the doorstep of the poor with donor projects, madrasas, youth organizations, women groups, and farmer organizations. Make a choice with Yona Islamic Microfinance today. For more information on Yona Islamic Microfinance, call 377-2151 or 9832-151, or visit Yona head office at Tipa Garage, Bakote, or visit any Yona branch located countrywide near you.
Mbata
bara alla service o tariaka
mbare
ki janna nun kunu bara tariaka
jannom yona forest de bureau Gambia tonkon na no mbare ya bere birim koyna fo kato
bari si kodo kino kato nim fo bolong blabe to
56 branches mola sota Gambia jam Gambia kono ani Gambia bantala bankol nko kono ki ya bere kodo sifa fo falindiro fo nyaadi lafta memmen na kodi to poto nin kodi maraw jannam number 1 ti nyonta andum fana nata anoda enterprise sogale wala nyindi ko domorol fana kol fana be firale de dadi ma ni domorol ni fana beteat Gambia dawda yalo ngam fa kendol sogale ji
wo moyo diat
apelenta
ni wo ka ni lafta nyelen kendol e binaji
yalo bu kanila ko la baraka
yalo ndel chosano lo
baraka